please subscribe, guys. I see small creators that are going to quit because you all don't subscribe. Because when you all saw the video, you laugh and scroll. So just give them a chance by subscribing and liking the video. Because be the reason they believe again. They just want to reach their goal. But you started at 0 subscribers too. You also have the same praise. You also went to that place too. So okay, you'll just give them a chance by sharing the video, liking and subscribing because small content creators are quitting. For me, I'm still at the amount of subscribers for 2 years because no one subscribed. It's been 2 years and I still have the same amount of subscribers. Even that's it. I work hard on videos, spending 30 minutes or 1 hour working on it, and you all don't subscribe. And I even post on low quality, and what I get is 0 or 12 or 20 views. But those green screen kids there, they just green screen a video where a person worked hard from, and they get like a million views, okay, views and quadrillion views. It's not even fair. Why do this when someone's green screen and it's not even their video, they get high amount of views, especially the people who work on cracked phones and broken phones. I feel bad for. If you all see this, please subscribe just for once, because a person work hard. If a person work hard in a video and they get 19 or 12 views, that's not fair. And guys, remember, if you see a person working hard on the video for 1 hour and 50 minutes or even 2 hours, spending their time and working all night, like and subscribe please, guys. I just want to reach my goal. By the way, bye bye, guys.